session. Okay. So let me read the problem first. Mercy Corporation reports the following information. Selling price per unit, 10. Variable cost per unit, 8. Total fixed costs, 120,000. Annual credit costs, okay. Annual credit sales, 240,000 units. Collection period, 3 months. Rate of return, 25%. Mercy considers relaxing its credit standards by granting extension of credit terms. The following are expected to result. First, sales will increase by 25%. Second, collection costs will increase by 40,000. Third, bad debt losses are expected to be 5% on the incremental sales. And fourth, collection period will increase to 4 months. Okay. So first, we are going to determine the conditions or the expected results. So we have here an increase in sales of 25%. So because it is an increase in sales, so it is for our advantage. So it is our gain, yung first dito. Sales will increase by 25%. To do that, let's take a look at the total annual credit sales, which is 240,000 units. So it says there that there is an increase of 25%. So 240,000 units, multiply natin by the selling price per unit, which is 10. So 240,000 units multiplied by 10, multiplied again by 25% because 25% daw, sana yun? Yung increase ng sales. But then, what we are after here is the profit that we will gain. So, multiply ulit natin ng 20%. Saan ba nakuha yung 20%? Nakikita nyo sa taas, yung selling price per unit is 10. Variable cost per unit is 8. 10 minus 8, we have 2. So, 2 yung contribution margin. 2 divided by 10, we have how much? Oops. Okay. 2 divided by 10, how much?
0.2.
Okay, 0.2 or 20%. So, kaya po natin minultiply siya ng 20% because we are after the profit or the contribution margin, 120,000. Again, 240,000 from here multiplied by 10 kasi 10 per unit yung selling price. Multiply ulit natin by 25 because 25 yung sinasabing increase in sales. At multiply ulit natin ng 20% which is the contribution margin ratio. So we will get 120,000 pesos contribution margin, increase in contribution margin. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So for the next expected result, collection cost will increase by 40,000. So because this is a cost, so it is a deduction from our advantage. So negative 40,000. Butang la natin nga di. For bad debts naman, bad debt losses are expected to be 5% on the incremental sales. So how much ba itaton incremental sales? So kung i-multiply natin yung 240,000 multiplied by 10 at multiplied by 25%, how much ito? How much?
600,000.
Oo. So, yan yung tinatawag na incremental sales. Pag mag-relax tayo ng policy, magkakaroon tayo ng additional 600,000 additional na sales. So, sabi niya, 5% daw ng incremental sales yung bad debts, bad debt losses. So, 600,000 multiply lang natin sa 5%. So, we will get 30,000 bad debts. Negative siya kasi it's a loss on our part. Okay? Clear kung saan nakuha yung 600,000? Clear
Yes,
ba?
ma'am.
Okay, lagay ko lang dito para mas madali. Yan. At saka, lagay ko lang na equal siya sa 600,000. Okay. So, dito naman sa last na expected result, collection period will increase to 4 months. Pag mag-increase yung collection period natin, it's a negative connotation because it only means nga mas magiging matagal tayong makakakolekta. So, sa 4 months na yon, imbes na ilagay natin sa bangko yung pera, wala tayong magagawa kundi mag-antay sa bayad ng customer. So, in that case, we're going to compute the negative connotation, the amount. So, yung old natin na AR is 90 days. So, multiply natin. 90 multiplied by 2,400,000 divided by 360. Yan po yung 240,000 units multiplied by 10 based natin sa old kasi yan yung old na annual sales natin. So 90 days multiplied by 2,400,000 divided by 360, we have 600,000. Okay? Yan yung amount natin when we were collecting the AR for 90 days. Okay. Next one is the AR new, which is nagka-increase nga tayo ng 4 months. So 4 months is equal to how many days?
120.
Okay. So 4 months, dati meron lang tayong 90 days, which is, ilan yung 90 days? 3 months lang, di ba?
3 months.
Okay. Tapos nga, naging 4 months na siya. Okay. So 120 multiply natin sa 3 million. Yung 3 million is based na sa bagong sales natin. Because 2,400,000 plus yung bagong incremental sales na 600,000, kaya siya naging 3 million dito. Okay? So 120, yan yung average collection natin ha. 120 multiplied by 3 million divided by 360, naging 1 million. By the way. So, 1 million na siya. Wait lang. Okay. So, 1 million na siya. Tapos, in-subtract lang natin sa previous natin na average collection. So, 600,000 minus 1 million, meron tayong 400,000. At saka, i-multiply natin sa 80%. Ano ba yung 80%? Ano yung 80%? Plus, what is 80%? Okay. 80% is yung variable cost ratio. Yan yung 8 divided by 10. Variable cost ratio. Okay?
Okay po.
Okay. And then we are going to multiply it by 25%. Hindi po yan yung 25% dito, kundi yung 25% dito, yung rate of return. Okay? And then we will get 80,000 negative kasi naging mas matagal na yung pagkolekta. I-compare lang natin dito. Mas matagal na kasi yung collection. So, meaning, nakulangan tayo ng 80,000. Naging mas matagal siyang makolekta. So, yung 25 rate of return, kung i-deposit sana natin siya sa bank. To get the gain or loss, we're going to subtract all the costs here from the benefits here. So, can you do that? I-subtract nyo lang yung, yung mga costs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Negative 30, ma'am. 30,000.
Negative 30,000. So ayun, if we proceed with our relaxation policy, the result will be a loss of 30,000. So much better kung hindi na lang natin i-relax yung policy natin. Is everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So kindly be familiar with this type of problems because I will be giving you an activity as it work next meeting, or probably I will just be posting on our Google Classroom. So I will just be chatting you guys after the session or anytime this week kung magpo-post na ako dun sa ating Google Classroom. If you have questions, you can just PM me or message me anytime. So sa ngayon, wala kayong question?
None so far, ma'am.
None so far. Okay, so let's call it a night. Night na kasi. So, okay. Good night and
Good
God
night,
bless.
ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Jessica, bye.